Welcome to Car Reviews, where today we're diving into the ultimate world of comfort, class, and cutting-edge innovation with the top 3 luxury motorhomes of 2026. These rolling palaces redefine the meaning of travel, combining next-level technology, breathtaking interiors, and unmatched performance to create a true 5-star experience on wheels. Whether you're chasing the horizon or enjoying a weekend escape, these 2026 models are built to make every journey unforgettable. Let's start with number 3 on our list, the 2026 Volkswagen Majesty XL. This German masterpiece is pure elegance from front to back. Under the hood, it boasts a hybrid powertrain for smooth, efficient driving, paired with adaptive suspension for the most comfortable ride imaginable. Step inside and you're welcomed into a lounge that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle interior. Real hardwood floors, handcrafted leather seats, a panoramic glass roof, and a fully smart-controlled lighting system set the mood perfectly. The kitchen is chef-grade, and the bedroom features a memory foam king-size bed with a hidden entertainment screen that rises from the footboard. Next up at number 2, the 2026 Airstream Regal Voyager. Airstream has outdone itself this year by blending its iconic sleek exterior with futuristic innovations. The Regal Voyager comes equipped with solar-powered energy systems, voice-activated controls, and an AI-assisted driving mode for effortless cruising. Inside, the minimalist yet ultra-luxury design features marble countertops, an open-concept living space, and even a spa-style bathroom with a rainfall shower. The living room converts into a cinema space with a retractable 80-inch OLED screen, making this motorhome ideal for both relaxation and entertainment. With premium insulation and climate control, you can travel from snowy mountains to sunny beaches in total comfort. Finally, at number 1, we have the 2026 BMW Horizon Grand Tourer. BMW has officially entered the luxury motorhome market, and they're doing it in style. The Horizon Grand Tourer is powered by an all-electric drivetrain with a 600-mile range, making it both eco-friendly and performance-driven. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, but the real magic is inside. This motorhome features a fully automated interior layout that adjusts depending on your needs, transforming from a spacious lounge to a private dining area at the touch of a button. High-end finishes like carbon fiber trims, Alcantara upholstery, and ambient lighting create a futuristic yet cozy feel. It also offers a built-in rooftop terrace with retractable seating, perfect for watching sunsets from anywhere in the world. These 3 luxury motorhomes prove that the future of travel is here, and it's all about blending style, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're drawn to the handcrafted charm of the Volkswagen Majesty XL, the high-tech elegance of the Airstream Regal Voyager, or the groundbreaking luxury of the BMW Horizon Grand Tourer, 2026 is the year that luxury travel hits a whole new level. This has been Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting vehicles on the planet.